In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Outlook message list. If your inbox feels a little hard to read, tweaking the message list text can make a big difference in comfort and speed. I'll walk you through the steps for New Outlook and Outlook on the web. And then for Classic Outlook on Windows. Follow along with the version you use most. Let's start with New Outlook and Outlook on the web. First, go to the View menu and choose View Settings. This opens the place where you control how your inbox looks. Next, select Mail, then head to Layout. In the Layout area, you'll see text size and spacing. Here you can pick small, medium, or large. Think of small as more messages on the screen. Medium as a balanced default and large as easier on the eyes with a bit more spacing. Once you've chosen the size that feels right, select Save. Your message list updates right away, so you can quickly judge whether it's comfortable. If you work on a high resolution display or you spend long stretches in email, large can reduce eye strain. If you are scanning for specific senders or subjects and want more items visible at once, small might be your friend. You can repeat these steps anytime to fine-tune the look. Now, for Classic Outlook on Windows, the controls live in a different place but are just as straightforward. Click the View tab at the top of Outlook. Then select View Settings, followed by Other Settings. This is where you decide exactly what part of the message list you want to change. Choose row font to adjust the text for senders and subjects. The main lines you scan as you move through your inbox. If you prefer to change the column headers, like the titles above your message list, click Column Font instead. Pick the size that's comfortable for you, and click OK to apply. The change is immediate, so you can gauge readability as you work. If you often sort by columns or rely on categories and flags, adjusting the column font can make those labels stand out more clearly. And if you manage a busy inbox, increasing the row font size can reduce the chance of missing important details at a glance. A quick note for both versions: these settings affect the message list, not the reading pane. If you need larger text while reading the body of emails, there are separate zoom or reading options you can adjust later. That's it. Thanks for watching.